Hey guys, good morning. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding. Call or text our office, your direct nationwide lender. Today we're talking about FHA loans. What are the maximum debt ratios that FHA allows? So I want to talk about this today so that way you guys are aware of what the requirements are for FHA. So with FHA, they'll allow up to a 47% maximum housing ratio and a maximum debt ratio. The back end, there's two different debt ratios, your front ratio and your back ratio. The maximum back end debt ratio that they'll allow is 56%. So that means all of your debt that you have on your credit report, the most that you can go up to is 56% total back end. In your house payment, the total front end is 47 for FHA loans. So we offer FHA, we go down to a 500 credit score with our FHA loans as a direct lender. So please reach out to us if we can help you. 832-431-6331. It's where America goes for funding, guys. Give Angelo Christian a call or text us. Thank you so much.